fire, the closest child forever wired. Volcanoes blaze beneath her skin, a tortured world that screams within. Jupiter pulls her into tide, tidal heat ignites her night. Sulfur skies and lava flows where nothing lives but fury grows.
Europa walks the frozen line, with cracks and veins in crystal shine. Beneath the ice, a hidden sea, where alien life might one day be. She
Sings in silence, locked in prayer, a secret held in liquid lair. A shell so cold, a heart so deep, where ancient tides still stir and sleep. Oh, moons of the mighty king, each with a tale, each orbiting, drawn by power, held by fate, dancing at a giant's gate. From fire to frost you rise and fall, for mighty moons, the king's own heart. Ganymede, the Titan child, massive, bright, and strangely mild, larger than Mercury, cloaked in stone, a magnetic heart that hums alone.
His auroras blaze in distant night, a shielded world in shadowed light.
Ice and rock and iron deep, where ancient echoes twist and weave.
And Callisto, the eldest face, a cratered ghost in outer space. She bears the scars of time and war, untouched for eons, drifting far.
No heat within, no shifting tide, just frozen truths she cannot hide. A relic left from birth's first spark, a quiet witness in the dark. Oh, moons of the mighty king, each with a tale, each orbiting, drawn by power, held by fate, dancing at a giant's gate. From fire to frost you rise and fall, for mighty moons, the king's own heart.
Galileo saw you in his glass,
For tiny lights that came to pass,
but now we know you shine with lore.
worlds unknown worth fighting for. Oh, moons of Jupiter's great hand, sculpted by his vast command. From inner flame to outer ice, you circle round in sacrifice. The moons of the king,